a couple of miles away up through the countryside and a little bit of the mountain. That's right. So it's best to steer the vessel to the nearest bank to a member of the crew with instruction on what happens. Okay? Plenty of life rafts and buoyant change on board. And if needed, well, they will be made available to you. You've got to pop around and collect those fares. £13 they are for all the adults across the board. £5 to the kids, that's 15 to 5 years old. And the flying good, it's a little bit of a breeze, and it doesn't help, it's behind that cloud up there. It's a lot warmer when it, because it's the time of the year when it comes out. Okay, but I will assure you, I go to the last trip, once we turn the boat around, and we're on the way back downstream, it's beautiful, you don't feel the wind at all. But if you do find yourselves getting a little cold, it's still early in the year, there is seating downstairs for these lots of goods, so do bear with us. Okay, but yes, as I said, we do take hard on cash. Enjoy the trip. My name's Phil, by the way, as I said, just don't hesitate to ask me any questions. flour mill. That's very well. Back there. On average, we're going to rise it very soon. Sunrise happens about every 15 years. It's still consider that the last 2 years has taken a hammering. January was a little bit higher. The year before, we had 3 floods, all of 11, 12 foot. That was full term. In fact, the Bathampton Weir pub, the dead of night, the fire brigade had to rescue 5 people and 2 dogs, also rose just a foot below the sea. All the lily pads will pop up. You'll have myriad coming with all the dragonflies, damselflies, and butterflies. These guys know loads about flooding now. It's only their second day open. The Bath boating station established here in 1833, and from here you can hire punts and skiffs and canoes, and you can hire them for an hour, you can hire them for the day. 5 generations of the same family have been boat building, wood, blue, copper nails and varnish. The little house we've just passed is the original boathouse from 1833. It's self-catering accommodation. It's called Toad Hall in up above. Well, sheeted up because of the wind is a little independent family-run restaurant called the Bath Boatman. I like it. I particularly like going down there after a hot day on the river, grabbing myself a cold glass, looking over the river from that veranda. I think watching people learning to pump for the first time is about the best free entertainment you can have in the city, that's for sure. I do a captain. Victorians 100 years after the bridge was completed, just to increase shop space. I do think that's why a lot of people liken it to the Ponte Vecchio over in Florence, over in Italy. Well, here we are. We're just coming to the end of the thing.